Dashcam Duel, Nextbase 522 GW versus Viofo A119 V3. Hey tech heads, welcome back to Reviewsville, where we put gadgets to the test. Are you ready to supercharge your car's safety? Today we're diving deep into the world of dashcams. We're pitting the Nextbase 522 GW against the Viofo A119 V3 in an epic battle for dashboard supremacy. We'll be comparing video quality, features, ease of use, and overall value. Which dashcam will reign supreme? Let's find out. Smash that like button if you're ready to upgrade your ride. Subscribe to Reviewsville for more tech showdowns, and let us know in the comments which dashcam you're rooting for. Drive safer with the Nextbase 522 GW dashcam. Worried about accidents or road incidents? The Nextbase 522 GW dashcam is your reliable eyewitness on the road. Let's dive into its key features and how it can protect you. This dashcam records in 1440p Quad HD, capturing clear footage day and night. Its wide 140 degrees lens covers 6 lanes, ensuring comprehensive road coverage. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for easy file syncing to your phone. The integrated GPS tracks your location, while the G-sensor detects impacts. The Emergency SOS feature automatically alerts emergency services in case of an accident. Alexa integration lets you control music, calls, and more with voice commands. Optional rear cameras provide additional coverage, recording events behind you. The polarizing filter reduces glare for clearer video quality. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the Nextbase 522 GW offers peace of mind on every drive. Check it out on Amazon for £119.99 at the provided link. Ready to upgrade your car's safety? Click the link to see the Nextbase 522 GW on Amazon, read customer reviews, and purchase yours today. Drive with confidence knowing you're protected.
Worried about accidents? Get the Viofo A119 V3 dashcam. Drive with confidence using the Viofo A119 V3. This dashcam records in QHD 1440p with a Sony sensor. You'll capture every detail, day or night. The 140 degrees wide-angle lens ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead. Never miss crucial evidence in case of an incident. It also features built-in motion detection. The integrated GPS accurately tracks your speed and location. This data can be invaluable for insurance claims. It also has superior night vision. G-sensor technology detects impacts, automatically saving critical footage. The camera is compact and discreet, fitting seamlessly into any vehicle. Installing the Viofo A119 V3 is a breeze with the included sticky pad. No complicated wiring is needed. Just attach and go. Ready to upgrade your driving safety? Check out the Viofo A119 V3 on Amazon via the link in the description. Don't wait. Protect yourself today.